Good morning. Today I thought we would have a look at this. It's my carbon monoxide detector. But being me, I put dates on everything when I install it. So you can see here 22nd of the 7th 2012. So it's just over 7 years old. Life expectancy of this is 7 years. No one's groggy over a few months. It's still working. But they say the actual carbon monoxide sensor deteriorates, and after about 7 odd years it's not worth keeping. So I've got a new one. It's a bit bigger, so I'll have to zoom out. Please hold. I got this Pifco carbon monoxide detector stroke alarm. Let's open it up. Here's the alarm, and it comes complete with fixings, 2 raw plugs and 2 screws. Screws don't look that good. Let's have a look. Seems to have a fixing plate. Yes, it does. It comes with 3 batteries. Aha, I thought as much. The batteries are actually sealed, therefore they're not making any connection. I'll unwrap them all and come back in a minute. Here we are. It's batteries all ready to go in. Let's pop them in. Let's put the plate back on. It just slides on. Stop the batteries from falling out. As you can see, it's showing its display of 000, which obviously means it hasn't detected anything at all, which is good. Not much you can say for it really, apart from the fact of I hope it never actually goes off. One thing I did notice, they said that the alarm sound is 85 decibels at 1 metre. Let's find out. I actually did get 90 decibels out of it just over 1 metre away. So yes, that part's okay. As a point of interest, if it goes above 50 parts per million, it takes it between an hour and a half before it'll activate. It's just gone to 22. If it's 100 parts per million, it takes it 10 to 40 minutes before it will activate. And if it's 300 parts per million, it will actually activate within 3 minutes. But hopefully it never will. I shall go and install it now. It came from eBay, as usual. £14.45 including delivery, and I'm just going to put the date on it with my trusty label maker. And if you want to help support the channel, please buy me a coffee, and thank you for watching.